Good day, members. I trust everyone is well and having a great weekend. Today I'll be analyzing the forex pairs and the index called NZDUSD fully. So let's get on it. I'm currently on the EURUSD on the monthly standpoint, and I'm looking at the chart here. I'm looking at the EURUSD here. I see a bearish candlestick for the month of February. The candlestick for the month of February is bearish. I looked at the dollar index. Unfortunately, I can't find it on my chart here, and then TradingView is giving me a problem. I need to get back on it and fix it. EURUSD candlestick of the month is bearish, meaning that the whole month chances are it's going to be a bearish candle. The dollar index is as well is on a bullish candlestick for this month. Okay, so I plotted my horizontal lines. So as you can see, the market is on a bearish candlestick. Let's jump to the weekly. The weekly chart, I'm seeing a pin bar here, a pin bar that closed below the price. It broke the previous weekly low. It's currently targeting the previous 2 weeks low. Let's go to the daily chart. Okay, on the daily, I'm seeing a bearish candlestick. On the daily, I'm seeing a bearish candlestick, and price is yet to break this previous weekly low, 1.07638. Okay, let me go to the 4-hour time frame and plot some horizontal lines. Sorry, plot some zones, some supply and demand zones. So here on the 4-hour, I have a support zone. I have a support zone that is likely to be broken by the market. So this is what I have. I have a support zone that is likely to be broken by the market. I have a resistance up there. I have a resistance up there. So this is what might happen. I'm anticipating something like this to happen on the EURUSD. Already the market has already broken out of this zone and has broken out this previous low. So we're targeting the next lows. So price will be targeting the next lows. I can anticipate the impulse from this zone, an impulse from that zone, and a pullback. Okay, NFP was super nice, guys. NFP was super nice. You should just watch my previous video. Just that I didn't make money. I didn't make money actually. Something happened, but I learned. So this is what I'm anticipating for the euro, or for the EURUSD on the next coming week. So this year, this horizontal line here. So price, I'm anticipating price to break down there and impulse and retest to test the previous zone. That's when we'll take some sell positions. This is the first take profit at 1.06346. From there we can add another position and continue to target an overall target of 1.04840. That's what I'm anticipating on the EURUSD. Looking at the USDJPY on the monthly standpoint, the previous month closed with a pin bar. I can see a pin bar. I can see a pin bar here, closed below on the support. Currently, the current month February is bullish, so meaning we might have a bullish month continuing. Let me jump to the weekly. The weekly candlestick closed with a bullish and broke the previous high of the previous week, meaning we're still bullish. Continue to the daily. The daily candle rised and broke out of all the consolidation that we had, broke the previous high of 131.082, giving us confirmation that we might go target other highs there. Let's go to the 4-hour. Even breaking my moving average at 130.877. So let me get my supply zones. So this is a resistance, guys. This is a resistance. The market has been resisting here, or this is a supply zone. The market has been resisting for quite some time. Every time we, as I can say, every time the market comes to this zone, it sells. Every time the market comes to this zone, it sells. So here it already broke up. We're expecting something like this and a continuation, considering the positive NFP news that we had. Are we together, guys? Are we together? Okay, this is what I'm also anticipating on the euro, on the USDJPY. So remember, when the USD rises, the other pairs like euro USD, GBPUSD, they will go against, they will sell. When the USD buy, let's say for example USDJPY, when the USDJPY is bullish, euro USD is bearish. When USDJPY is bullish, GBPUSD is bearish. So this is what I'm anticipating. Our target is at 134.661. So I'm anticipating an impulse correction and a continuation. Here, some of you guys, technical traders and fundamental traders who are holding, you should have taken your first positions on this zone. Currently, you're holding, you have adjusted your stop loss at 130, you've trailed it, and then you're taking more positions. You understand? Let's continue. Looking at the GBPUSD on the monthly time frame, as far as I can see, I'm seeing a bearish engulfing candlestick. The current month, February, on the GBPUSD is a bearish month, meaning we might have a long bearish month for this week, for this month. Okay, I'm on the daily candlestick right now. The daily candlestick on NFP lunged and broke all these previous lows, all the previous lows. So the low that is left is the low at target 1.18426. That's our next target. That's our short-term target. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame. So I can plot the zone here. I can plot this zone at this multiple tests. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. I'm expecting this, or I'm expecting a continuation. Even the moving averages are above. When the moving averages are above price, price is going to continue dropping. When the moving averages are below price, price is going to continue rising. So in this case, the moving averages are above price, meaning we will see a potential decrease in price. Are we together? Are we together, guys? So this is what I'm anticipating on the pound USD. This is what I'm anticipating on the pound USD. I hope you can see clearly on the 4-hour time frame. This is it was a demand zone turned into resistance supply zone. Price broke out already, so we might have an impulse to the downside continuing and a potential pullback. Take your orders upon the pullback and then continue long-term swing trading. Looking at the gold ZAR USD on the weekly time frame, we had a strong push the past week. Okay, let me say just this week we had a strong push to the downside, breaking all the previous 2 weeks low, breaking the 3 weeks low. Currently at the next low is at $1823.07 region. That's what we are targeting. Let me jump straight to the daily. The daily also broke the previous lows. The moving average is below price, hence why price has been rising. Currently, we are approaching the moving average in order to break it and continue the downtrend. This is a downtrend on the gold, guys. Okay, let me analyze and let me plot my zones. This is a potential resistance because the price the market broke out of this zone. The market broke out of that zone. Okay, guys, the strategy that I use, supply and demand. Some of you know it as resistance and support. So if I say supply, know that I'm talking about resistance. If I'm saying support, know that I'm talking about demand zone. There's just a difference between those. That's a different term to understand. I'll talk about it on some other videos. So since we are even testing about to break out the zone, actually broke out this zone, so chances are buyers might come there and try push price to the upside to pull back. Maybe might pull back there or might pull back here, but wait upon the pullback to take the long-term sell. Short-term target is at $1832.18 region. That's where the next target is. Gold is on a downtrend. Sell gold. Looking at the NZDUSD on the 4-hour time frame, we have a supply zone here that was broken out by the NFP massive movement. We had an impulse to the downside. Currently price is at the moving averages. which is the moving average is above price, meaning price will continue to drop. So you might have an impulse to the upside to test the previous high or the previous breakout, to be specific. I might be wrong, guys. On all the setups that I'm analyzing, on all the charts that I'm analyzing, I might be wrong. Hence why you should use proper risk management to trade, and you should trade with money that you afford to lose. Okay, this is what I'm anticipating for the NZDUSD. So it might take a while to reach that target, you understand, but price is above, moving average is above price, so price will continue to drop, and it's already tested there, so chances of it coming there are accurate. So this is what I'm anticipating on the NZDUSD. And then last but not least, US100, also known as Nasdaq 100, the Nasdaq stock market. Let me plot my zone. So this zone right here, it is a demand, hence why I'm marking it green. The green zones are demand zones, the red zones are supply zones. So currently we're still having a supply because the market impulsed, this was previously the resistance. Price was always resisting when it comes to resisting to the downside and resisting. Eventually it broke out of the zone, so this zone became a support, a demand. You understand? People were supporting the buyers. Individuals who bought this, who came into the chart, were supporting this uptrend, this buy, the bullish movement. So currently, this is a demand zone. We are looking for price to pull from there. Currently, technically, we have an impulse. We are looking for a pullback. Currently, with the news going on, we are looking for a pullback, even sellers to pile in from here and continue to sell to take the Nasdaq to the downside. That's actually what I'm anticipating. Let me go to the 4-hour. I'm anticipating this, something like this. So guys, you must go and check out CFTC data, the commitment of traders data. Go check that out and understand it. Understand the COT data. Make research about the COT data, commitment of traders data. So this is what I'm anticipating for price. Price is high, we sell when price is high. We have a first touch, second touch, that's double top, neckline. After the neckline being break, we are impulsing to the downside and pulling back here and taking more positions of sales and continue to target $11,080.8 region. That's it for today, guys. Thank you. Make sure that you subscribe, share, like, comment. Let's interact. Let me know what you are trading. Let me know which pair you love, which pairs or indices you like me to analyze. Let me know what you want me to talk about on my next video. Thank you. Have a great week. Happy trading and good luck.